Welcome to Action Tour Guide, a smarter way of exploring. Have you booked a tour? That's great. Now let's move on. Open the email and scroll down until you see the app link and password. Tap the link to download the Action Tour Guide app. Enter your password from the instructions into the app. Now download your tour. Do this step right away. Don't wait until you travel. Download and preview them all to decide what's best for you. Start the tour now to preview it. Understand where it begins, where it goes, and what it covers. Now you'll be ready when it's time to travel with Action Tour Guide.